Hey guys, so I thought I would share a new kind of video today. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this really cute embroidery pillow. I did everything by hand. So the first thing I did is I created an outline. Just take a colored pencil and sketch on the shape or design or whatever you want to put on the pillow. So you can Google photos, you can create your own. I actually saw this one idea of this one person. She actually made a letter and then put flowers around it, and it looked really cute, so I kind of put my own twist on it. I just traced a little H on it, and then I put some flowers onto it. So right here I'm doing the embroidery. So I did a double thread and I'm doing a back stitch, and I just wanted to give a quick little reminder that I am not an expert at embroidery, so if I make a mistake, you're probably going to see a lot of mistakes in here. But in the end, you can't really tell, but there are some mistakes here and there. So here I'm making this flower, and it was a really cool technique. The only bad thing about this is that if you want this to be a practical pillow, it might come out. So this is more for decoration. So just doing that right now. So I just wanted to remind you guys that this is only a 5-minute video, and I'm going to be showing you the tracing, embroidery, stitching, fluffing, and how to make tassels. So this part is actually going to be a little slow for this part of the age because, there's so many satisfying embroidery videos out there, and I thought that I would leave one section a little bit slower so that you guys can enjoy the super satisfying embroidery. So I hope you enjoy that, and after this, it's going to be going super fast. So here I did go off camera a little bit to finish off the H because it's really difficult to do embroidering from the camera. It's really hard because you have to put it in frame and stuff. So I did that part off camera, and over here I put a little sequin, a gold sequin, and then a pearl on top of it. And I just stitched that in with the embroidery floss, and it looked so cute. It really finished off these flowers. So I have two over there, a really big one, and then I'm making another small one over here. Then I'm making these really cute leaves. These are so easy. Just make a triangle, then a smaller triangle, and then a smaller triangle, and it gives such a cute little effect. So I'm not a profesh at making leaves. This was one of my first times, but I'm really happy with how they came out. Now I went ahead and stitched the sides. So this was actually a long rectangle, so I only had to stitch two sides and the left one open so I could, stuff it. So after stuffing it, I also stitched that up, and I used green because I thought it would be a cute contrast, so that was on purpose. And now I'm taking extra embroidery floss and I created tassels. And then after that, I took some white embroidery floss and I sewed through a little bit of pearls and I attached that onto the pillow, and there you go. Your really cute embroidery pillow is done with tassels, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was really fun to make, and it was really entertaining, I hope. So I hope you stay on my channel. Make sure to check out the rest of my videos, and I'll see you till the next one. Bye!